Hello guys, welcome back again. In this video we will talking about FREP process, that is fluorescence recovery after photo bleaching, and we will also talk about flip process. It's mean fluorescence loss in photo bleaching. Okay, let's say what is FREP process and where we gonna use it. It is basically used in the measurement of a protein mobility in the cell or outer of the cell, or basically it give you the basic idea of a cell physiological things. Okay, cellular physiology. Okay, so let's see, this is the a cell side view, this is the top view, and these all are the fluorescent level molecule, and this arrow shows that we are giving them a continuous laser beam. After giving them continuous laser beam, some of the area have been washed away from the fluorescent molecules. This area, this washed area of fluorescent molecules shows the fluorescence loss. Okay, and in this region we stopped giving them a specific laser beam. After some time you can see some of the area have been recovered of fluorescent molecules, and this is not the reversion of your fluorescent recovery. It is the simple process of surrounding diffusion. Some of the surrounding fluorescent molecules have been come here, from here to here, or some of the fluorescent molecule come from here to here. So this is not the reversal of fluorescence, this is simple diffusion of fluorescent molecules. If you come to the top view, this is the fluorescent level molecules, and after giving them laser beam, this will be the top view, and after recovery you can see this area have been recovered their fluorescence. Now if you design a graph between intensity of time, then there was a time in the beginning intensity was higher, and after giving them laser it have been depleted, and after during recovery their intensity is increasing. It shows that it is the process of simple diffusion. Okay, and that's why the fluorescence level molecules have come to this area. So this gives a basic idea of a protein mobility in the cell or outer of the cell. Okay, so some molecules that come part in this whole process, we can call that molecule mobile fraction, and if some molecules can't participate in this process, we can call them immobile fractions. If you come to the next process, we can call it flip process. It's mean fluorescence loss in photo bleaching. Okay, so this is the cell, and we are giving them a continuous laser beam. Okay, in this process we would not stop our giving laser beam, we are going to give it a continuous laser beam. We would not let that area recover of their fluorescence. Okay, so after giving them continuous laser beam, you can design a graph, and in the beginning intensity is higher, and after giving them laser a continuous laser beam, it's been depleting here, it's been depleting from beginning to end. Okay, so this shows we are not going to let that recover, we are not going to let that recover this area or this fluorescent area, because we are going to give them a continuous laser beam. This is a process flip, and in fluorescence FREP process we will stop our laser beam so that fluorescent level molecules come from diffusion process from their surrounds, and that's why we call it fluorescence recovery after photo bleaching. So these are the process flip and FREP. I hope guys you will get it. If you have any problem, then comment down below.